Hi everybody, it's Gavin here, and today I'm going to show you how to watch movies for free on a school computer. So we're going to be using this account. And then we're going to you have to put film, licious, and then you don't use .net, but you could use net if you want, if the school allows you to. And then you go here, and then boom, you have all these movies you could watch, all the new ones, Space Jam, Suicide Squad, a lot of stuff, So that's cool. So yeah, I am going to watch, you could literally watch any movie on here. But for me, I'm going to watch Space Jam because I want to watch Space Jam, and I've been always wanting to watch Space Jam. So I'm gonna watch Space Jam. Click on it. Wait for it to load. And then you want to press X on all the ads that come up, like these ones. And then you press full screen. And then you just wait for it to load, and then boom, you have the movie that you want to watch. And yeah, so that's really cool. And yeah, that's good.
Alright, my shift's not over till 9, so tell Coach C I'm gonna be a few minutes late picking you up, okay?
Yeah. Thank you all for watching this video, and comment down below if you want me to do any more things, and I'll see you guys later.
You know, if I could,
bye.
I would be in the